Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your public profile on Snapchat in 2022. That is so simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat and there tap on your profile icon at the top left and there scroll down all the way until you find your public profiles and tap on your public profile right here and there. In order to delete your public profile on Snapchat, tap on that gear icon and there you will find delete public profile option. Just tap on that and confirm deletion of your public profile. Now your public profile was successfully deleted. And make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you and write down a comment if it works.